Most people overcook broccoli and lose the flavor, but this creamy broccoli puree stays rich, smooth, and vibrant, perfect for soups, sauces, and elegant restaurant-style plating. Start with 1 kilo of fresh broccoli puree. Chop everything into small dice for faster, even cooking. For the flavor base, mince 24 grams of garlic and 150 grams of chopped onions. In a hot pan with oil, saute garlic until fragrant. Then add the onions and cook until soft. Now, add in the chopped broccoli. Then season with 10 grams of vegetable stock, salt, black pepper, and 15 grams of almonds for extra richness. Mix everything well, then pour in water and let the broccoli cook gently until soft and vibrant. Now, add 100 grams of cooking cream and let it simmer slowly. This gives the puree that silky, luxury texture. Once cooked, allow it to cool slightly before blending. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. This is the perfect broccoli puree base for soups, sauces, or elegant plating. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.